Hello, 大家好. Welcome to TCH Chinese Academy. Today we'll start a new topic, Restaurant Chinese, 餐厅中文. And I'm going to use several videos to help you learn the most usable and idiomatic expressions about this topic, 餐厅中文. Are you ready to go? Well, we'll start with the expressions when you are greeted with at the entrance with a welcome. Actually, in Chinese culture, you are more than just welcomed. We Chinese would greet you with 欢迎光临, which means we are very honored to welcome you to our restaurant, or your arrival makes us very honored, so you are very welcome. Isn't that amazing? So, 欢 and it's an just like the English an, an, wu, an, he, wu, an, 欢 and yin, yin, like English ing, yin, 欢迎. And this ang is pronounced as the English on, like the on. So wu an, ge wu an, guang. And this one is le yin ling, guang ling, 欢迎光临. One more time. 欢迎光临. Okay, so maybe you are wondering, how do we respond to this 欢迎光临? Actually, you don't have to say anything. A smile or a nod is good enough. Now let's look at a couple of pictures so you can have some ideas of how the customers are greeted in such situation. And this one is a restaurant, and you can see a waitress is greeting customers, and usually she will say welcome with a rising tone and repeat it twice like this. 欢迎光临,欢迎光临. And this one, can you read the characters here? Yes, they are 欢迎光临. Actually, it's quite common to see such signs with 欢迎光临 outside restaurants or stores in China. Okay, after the 欢迎光临, and next comes the question, do you have a reservation? And in Chinese, we say 有预定吗? Simply means have reservation, a question. This is a question particle, normally at the end of a sentence, and it can turn a statement into a question. So that's why it's called a question particle. Okay, how do we pronounce it? This one is 有, not you. Yeah, it looks like the English you, but this is Chinese pinyin, and Chinese is a tunic language, so we have tones here. So it's a curve, it's a third tone. So 有, not you, never pronounced you, 有. And this one is yu, and with a falling tone, yu. And the yin, ing, just like the English yin, and falling tone again, ding, yu, ding, yu, ding. And this particle is mo, ma. But, in sentence, as it is a particle, so it's not stressed. When it is unstressed, it is not ma. It is m, this r changed into an unstressed noun. M. So the whole sentence is 有预定吗 Not 有预定吗 No, that's not right. So 有预定吗 Can you follow me? Okay, try one more time. 有预定吗 Good. So this is a very correct textbook Chinese. Actually, we natives have a more colloquial or natural way of saying, do you have a reservation? And it is 有位吗? So you can see we have the same 有 have and the same question particle 吗 and the only difference is we use 位 the seat to replace the 预定 reservation. So simply means have you have a seat already? No, 位 is the seat. Okay, so 有 and this EI is pronounced as, like the English letter A. So with this folding tone, so it's 位, 位, ma also unstressed. 有位吗? Faster. 有位吗? Okay, so how to answer this? If your answer is yes, I do, then we say 有 means I have. And if your answer is no, I don't, we put a not before the 有 and it becomes 没有. Yes. So the same A sound, but this time is the second tone. So 没有 or 没有. You can answer it according to your own situation. Okay, so notice when we give short answers, and in Chinese we use the real, actual action verb instead of the auxiliary do. So we say 有 have and 没有 not have. So this is the key difference of Chinese and English. If you can understand this and use them correctly, then your Chinese is idiomatic. Otherwise, it sounds kind of weird. Okay, so let's see what we have learned today. And the first one is the very unique Chinese welcome, which is 欢迎光临,欢迎光临. And do you have a reservation? Is 有预定吗? Or more natural, 有位吗? 有预定吗? 有位吗? And you can answer yes or no by saying 有 or 没有. Okay, so that's all for today, but you can also watch my other videos for more natural and idiomatic restaurant Chinese. Well, thank you and see you next time. 谢谢，再见。